Welcome to the YCB project. We have a number of updates to share with you all. Without any more delay, let's get started, shall we? Let's delve into the staking platform. Within this section, you'll find several pools available for participation, including the option to try out the testnet. In the Passport detail section, you can log in to your self-custodial wallet. Be sure to select the correct network. In this case, let's try on testnet. Now let's head over to the staking platform, choose a pool, and create our very own super NFT. The process is quite straightforward. Depends on your wallet. You will need to approve the transactions. Let's wait a little bit longer, as for security reasons, we require 3 confirmations from the blockchain. Congratulations! You have successfully created Passport Finance. Let's attempt to stake some tokens. As you can see in this Passport Finance testnet, the token is YTT, and we have a balance of 10,000 in our wallet. As you're aware, tokens require your approval for contracts to utilize them. Let's proceed to approve 1,000 tokens and then stake them. Congratulations, you've successfully staked the tokens. The transaction required 3 confirmations to proceed. Let's wait a moment to check the estimated reward. Meanwhile, feel free to familiarize yourself with all the information available in this Passport Finance NFT. Your information is transparent and easily accessible here. Please note that when you stake again, you'll need to wait another 24 hours to claim or unstake. Unstaking will automatically claim your rewards. Great, it worked! Now let's attempt to stake another 9,000 tokens to increase our rewards. Depending on the type of Passport Finance, in this case, the estimation of rewards occurs every 20 blocks confirmed in the blockchain, so you'll need to be patient to see the estimation. Here you go. As you can see, the more you stake, the better the rewards. You can create multiple Passport Finance NFTs. However, please note that there's a maximum limit of 5 per wallet address. Please proceed with caution. You can also find your passport using your Passport ID. If your passport is not shown for some reason, feel free to contact support@awhile for assistance. Congratulations! You are now part of the YCB project journey. You are awesome, brain.